Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, for a change, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a Marvel's Deadpool vinyl bobblehead figure, and I'm going to be showing you the features and specifications of this bobblehead figure. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that Deadpool is one of my favorite Marvel characters, and I was thrilled when I found this particular bobblehead vinyl figure, and I had to get him to add him to my Deadpool bobblehead collection, so here we are. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at the boxing and get this thing open. Well, by the looks of it, I'm really happy that I got this Deadpool bobblehead vinyl figure. So as you can see, I received this bobblehead along with the base plate and a 3M adhesive tape in case you want to stick this guy down on the dashboard of your car or anywhere else you choose to. But in this case, I'm going to be displaying him alongside my Deadpool bobblehead collection, which I'm sure he is going to be the highlight of, as he looks amazing and well detailed. And with that being said, this bobblehead needs some minor assembly, so let's get to it. Well, all I can say is that this vinyl Deadpool bobblehead is quite sturdy, and you sure do get what you pay for. So to begin with, this is a vinyl bobblehead figure of the Merc with the mouth, which has no articulation but comes with some awesome details which I can't complain about. This figure is 5 inches in height, 4 inches in width, and I should admit that this figure is quite sturdy and weighs in about 150 grams and comes with some pretty good details which we will now take a closer look at. So stay tuned, check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this Deadpool bobblehead in the description below. And all I can say is that I'm really glad I got this figure to add to my Deadpool collection, and this is a definite must-have for any bobblehead collector, especially if you are a Deadpool enthusiast. So with that being said, let's place this Deadpool bobblehead on the Dnation turntable and stay tuned for some fun facts on Deadpool coming up. Deadpool is a 2016 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. Distributed by 20th Century Fox, it is the 8th film in the X-Men film series. Wade Wilson is a dishonorably discharged Special Forces operative working as a mercenary when he meets Vanessa. They become romantically involved, and a year later she accepts his marriage proposal. Wilson is diagnosed with terminal cancer and leaves Vanessa without warning so she will not have to watch him die. In the film, Wade Wilson hunts the man who gave him mutant abilities and a scarred physical appearance, becoming the beloved anti-hero Deadpool. Deadpool was released in the United States on February 12, 2016 after an unconventional marketing campaign. The film achieved both financial and critical success. It received many awards and nominations, including 2 Critics' Choice Awards and 2 Golden Globe nominations. A sequel, Deadpool 2, was released in 2018 following the acquisitions of 21st Century Fox by Disney. A third film is in development at Marvel Studios. And for further information on Deadpool, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Deadpool bobblehead figure, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this vinyl Deadpool figurine. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.